What's up, traders? We are here again with part two. Today is January 30th, the last day of the month, and I'm gonna be showing you guys um what I'm doing right now. And I'm doing my trading account, which you have a balance of 10,000. We're still waiting to enter the USD JPY at 148, 186. Sorry about that. 188, 146. Wait, sorry. 148, 186. That's our entry. So let's go back over here. So as you can see, this is where we have our entry right up 86, right around this area. 86. For the reason that I don't like to do scalping, I don't like to do um sitting down here in the chart for too much time because it just gets annoying, gets boring, and it drains your mental energy. So I don't like to be, I like to go on with my days, wait for that entry. As you can see, this was on Monday, January 29th. Yesterday was this between 11 in the morning and 3 in the morning. You see how the market did. There was people selling here, people took profit here. Some people bought here with a stop loss right below this area since there was buyers getting in the market. This is for scalpers, right? For me, I like to wait for the big momentum. I mean, like this is where things starts. People are gonna start taking profit here, but people are gonna be buying right above in my area. So this is for me a balance point right now. Price is above the balance point. Buyers are in the market. Buyers are in the market. Buyers have been buying. So now price might increase. So we're just gonna wait for the consumer confidence. Excuse me, sorry. So we see consumers' confidence. That means that their imports are gonna increase, even more inflation. Hit it right here. Then tomorrow morning, do some weird stuff around here, and then before it rises right above here. Federal press conference, interest rate, and interest rate decision is gonna be very important too. So this we're gonna go to the 10-year bonds, 10-year bonds, 10-year bonds. Sorry for 10-year bonds. Sorry guys. I don't even know where I have it. Okay, here it is. So we're gonna wait for the interest rate decision. So all right, so if you can see, sellers are still in control. People are still selling, but buyers are in the market. Buyers are in the market, but people are selling. There's no volume here, so because this is, I don't know. I think this is the reason there's no volume because this goes based on the percentage. I don't know really. I'll have to investigate, but you can see sellers are still in the market. People think it's gonna keep going up based on the rate decision. Price was weak right here, weak, so there's sellers right in all this area. So all this area is full of sellers. So now let's go. I like to look my 4-hour chart. Buyers try to push. Buyers are still trying to push, but they're being hit with some resistance right in here. There's sellers right in this area. They're heavy sellers right here. Let's see here. There's sellers right here. Right above, right at this area. There's heavy sellers. You see 1 wick, 2 wick, sellers, sellers. There's a balance point. Or buyers or sellers were winning. Sellers decided to win. Buyers trying to get in the market, sellers push. Buyers try to get in the market, sellers push. Buyers try to push again, and sellers are pushing. So that means that sellers have force, and in our 4-hour chart, looks like it's losing force. The force is being lost. So now let's go right here. So we're gonna wait for the interest rate decision so we can see what's gonna dollar gonna make. Is it gonna go up or is it gonna go down? Right? So let's go to our daily chart. Our daily chart, we can see buyers try to push, but sellers are still strong. There's still sellers in the market. And here too, buyers are running out of oxygen. They're in the balance point. This is a nice balance point right here in the center of here. Price is in a center point. So sellers are trying to push below this area. There is a fair value gap right here at 3.872, which price can slowly come here, come here and bounce back up again. But we don't know yet, you know. So let's go now to DXY. DXY looks like buyers try to push, sellers are here right in this area. Sellers are heavy right in this area. All this area is full of sellers. Buyers are running out of oxygen. So buyers are losing confidence, going up. Let's go to the lower time frame. Buyers are still above this area now. Now we have to look at the patterns here being created. Look, there's like a bullish flag. We have a left shoulder, right shoulder, head. We have double top, fork top. So, and it looks like buyers are trying to get into this market. Buyers are trying to win. Buyers are trying to still push. We just gotta wait and see who's gonna drop, make that decision for this to drop. So as of right now, price is in a balance point. It's right above this area is a balance point. Buyers and sellers right here. Transactions are being done here. So let's say we want to sell this market. This is how I will sell this market. I will look for a candlestick. I will look for a weak buyer's candlestick. Because you can see there's buyers here that were very weak, but they were able to maintain right in this point. So in this area, buyers are still holding, but sellers are still trying to push. Sellers are still trying to push down. So let's say I'm gonna look for this balance point. This is another balance point right here. So if I was gonna sell this, I'll have to do this. And then put it right this wick right here. Right that, like that. And let me see. This how I would think this is going what's happening right now. You see price is above this, so I will wait for this to come back to this balance point. So this is 0 point again. Let's say to this will be my entry kind of thing. I just have to put a stop loss right above. If it was above this, look, we see that we might enter here. Last bearish was right here, right above this candlesticks. Since this is 1, 2, there's candlesticks. So there's selling force here. People will not, price will not come reach here because seller will push. So I'll have this trade like looking like this. This is for DXY. Let's say this is for DXY. I'm gonna wait for this Thursday. I'm gonna be doing another video and uploading it, and we're gonna see the progress. As of right now, USD JPY is looking for me bullish. I don't like to say, like I said, a lot on the charts because it just mess up with my mental and my strategies and my own psychology. Then, because sometimes I think the market likes to make me lose once here in a while and try to make me not believe in my trade, but I know that most of the time I'm correct. It's all about waiting and emotional control. Look, there's buyers here. There's weak buyers. Right here, there's weakness of buyers. There's buyers here. All this area is full of buyers. So we need to see that extension. We need to see that confirmation. Buyers are winning. Buyers are winning. We can put our stop loss right all the way over here, but market can choose from here, come down here, boom, and bounce back up again. So we have to wait. That's why waiting is very important. Just because like it looks like that, other traders are thinking the same way, or maybe not. You know, everybody. Some people, most of people are usually trading um their basic internet information, but it really takes a lot. Like ICT, fair value gaps are good. I use fair value gaps as supports and resistance. You know what I mean? Like the price has to come back down there to either to support or to an equilibrium point because the market likes to come back to an equilibrium point. So yeah, guys. So that's what I'm trading right now. I'm still on my 10,000 challenge. I gotta make $800 to pass my first phase. I cannot lose more than 500, and I have $1,000 for major losses. So I only have $1,000 for it. So we're still waiting. We still have $1,000. Like I said, I don't like to do scalping. Scalping is not my thing. I'm very patient. I like big money. Big money takes time. I like to have stacks of money, and I like to feel not secure, safe, but I don't like to feel that shakiness of like, oh, what is this, what is that, because then it creates a bad habit. So I like to patiently wait and see what the market is gonna do. I don't mind losing. I don't mind losing, but I try to get the most wins that I can. I only try to take one or two trades per week, depending what I'm feeling, what looks good, what doesn't look good, what looks shady, what looks not good. Let's go look at Euro USD, and I'll tell you, I might have a buying opportunity with Euro USD. Oh yes, look, you see, the market is having trouble. So market is coming back to my look. You see, I got here early. Boom, came back down and it's coming back. So I'm gonna enter this one again at 186.48. All right, Euro USD. Okay. And we're gonna do market pending order, buy limit, buy stop, one lot price. We're gonna buy it right here. How many pips here? 20 pips. Let me look for 30. I like to go for 30. So let's say this is the balance point. This is 42, 37. Right here. Here there's power of buyers right here. You can see there's buyers here. Strong buyers. Sellers trying to push, but sellers are losing momentum. Buyers are still trying to push. Sellers are losing momentum. Here, our entry can be. There is weakness. There is buyers here and at this level. You have to be very careful, guys, because if we get in too early, we can lose it again and lose that money. And we don't want to do that. We have to patiently wait because you can see this 90 MA. This entry is right below this 90 MA. But there's buyers here. There's buyers here. So there is a point balance here. So an equilibrium point is right here. So price is gonna break up above this balance point. So I'm running this one all the way over there. So put this one right here. Okay, very important to be very attentive. So here is buyers. Once price reaches here, buyers will jump in. So there's gonna be buyers right above this level. When market comes in here, market buyers are gonna get to this market right here. So now let me look for a stop loss. So I rather move my entry to this level and 30 pips, 4 to 1. Sounds very good. This one right above this candlestick and this entry. So that's how I will enter this market. 187.32, 187.32, 187.32, 187.32. Stop loss. Well, for stop loss is right below this area, so it will be 183.73, 183.73, 183.73, 1.183.73, 183.73 stop loss and take profit. We're gonna put take profit. I'm going on this one, so I'm going all the way to this level. 19950, 19950, 19950. Okay, let me do something wrong. 19960, 111. Let me see again, guys. 09950, 0109950. I'm putting the entry wrong. 08736. 08736. 08730. 08733, 09950. Right now, look, there we go. We got 2. So we're risking 2% out of the 10,000. So that means we're risking $2,000 out of the $10,000. So we cannot lose more than 500. If not, we'll be out of this challenge. So we have to be very careful. We see which one gets triggered first. Price is dropping as it goes. Price is, with time, is decreasing, but it's already getting tired. Price already getting tired. Sellers cannot push now. So the only way now is to go up to meet up with this price up again. Since price is already increasing during this turnaround. It can take days, it can take weeks, but we have to be patient in waiting. I like to wait. I don't like to do scalping, like I said, because that burns a lot of mental energy. So make sure you guys follow me. Make sure you guys like my video. I'll be uploading another video after this high impact news. We have inflation rate. We have inflation rate. So if inflation rate is increasing or is stable, we might see this reverse. and then Fed press conference at 2 p.m. So we're gonna separate our times. Alternative Tuesday. All right, so right now let's say right now it's a no trade zone. Right now there's no trades going on. Market might just come down, up, sideways until tonight, 1 in the morning. 1 in the morning. So it's gonna be price coming down here, bounce, return, boom. We have to wait. There's two high impact news here at the same time in this trade time frame. There was right here at 2 p.m., which is 2 p.m. As you can see, 2 p.m. on Wednesday. This can affect the what? The USD JPY. So this will be on when? This will be January 21st, tomorrow at 2 p.m. Tomorrow at 2 p.m. Right there around that time, 1 a.m., 2 p.m. It will be right here at that time. Oh, well, the circle's right there. So this will be affected in the Asian market at 2 p.m. So we might see price come here around this time. Boom, relax, relax. News, boom, keep increasing. The dollar is going to get strong over the JPY. So let's see what happens. Let's get it. Make sure you guys follow me. The Money Association.